Hello, this is Zen Design, and we're talking about 2026 color trends in hospitality and wellness. These can be utilized in your home as well. Okay, for 2026, the color of the year is warm mahogany. This color is a nice, rich rust tone, looks good in every space. You could use it to define cabinetry, extra details in every room. You could utilize it even in the color of your carpet. This color is very warm and inviting. Another color that we have going on right now is Valspar Warm Eucalyptus. That nice sage color brings life to a room. You could add it to the wainscoting on your walls, detailing even with the crown molding. It'll look really nice in the space. And based on the lighting, determines how light it looks. Like in this space, it looks a little bit lighter than in the other pictures. Also, another color that's going to be trending is also the Dutch Boy Melodus Ivory. It's a nice, rich cream tone.